Hey, my name's Jackson, and I'm going to be teaching you 5 easy tricks you can do with the yo-yo. I'm using the Yo-Yo Factory shutter, and I have the link down below from where you can get it from. The first trick I'm going to teach you is how to throw a yo-yo. What you want to do is put the yo-yo on your middle finger, and then put it in your hand like this. Raise up your elbow and arm like that, and then just throw it down. Second one I'm going to teach you is the breakaway or the side mount. What you do is like that. So what you do is when you have the yo-yo already in your hand, you loosely hold it and you just flick your wrist like that. To get into trapeze, so when you throw it, you get your hand out and ready, so when the string goes over it, the finger is out there ready to catch the string on it. You get the yo-yo as close to your finger as possible. It makes it a lot easier when you're first trying it, and you can just practice this motion over and over until you get it right. The second move I'm going to be teaching you is called the trapeze, and it looks like this. It's a pretty easy move, but it may be hard at first to get landed on the string. You may do some mistakes like clenching your hand, making it not land on the string. It may be harder to do. So what you want to do, one of the ways you can do it that's a lot easier, is throw a yo-yo in front of you, put your finger in front of the string, and then just pull your hand down and place the yo-yo on top of the string. This gets you in the same position, but it's a lot easier. So when you get it on the string, what you want to do is bring your hands together when you get it on the string. It's going to make it a lot easier to land it, because if you keep your hands apart, it's going to be a lot harder because it may just bounce right off and mess up the spin. So bring your hands together right when it lands. It's a lot easier to land it. And once you do it, you start swinging your hands like this. A light swing, not a big one, don't exaggerate it. A light little one. You just spin and you let go of it and it should come to you. The third move I'm going to be teaching you is called Trapeze His Brother, and it looks like this. So what you want to do is throw a yo-yo and get into your trapeze, which I taught you already. And when you get into that, what you do is you pop the yo-yo out off the string, and it should land on your thumb, like that. Once you get in here, you kind of swing it over to this hand, your throwing hand, and with this finger, your pointer finger, you land the yo-yo over it, making a string that you can land the yo-yo on, which is the brother part of it. The fourth one I'm going to be teaching you is the Invert Mount, and it looks like this. So when you throw a front mount, it's not going to work to get it back up to you. It's just going to keep dropping, so you're going to have to go back into your trapeze. But if you throw your breakaway mount, it'll be coming up to you because the axis is spinning the other way. So that's the one you can do to get it back up to you with a breakaway. So what you do, throw a yo-yo in front of you, then you just put your finger right here and you just kind of push down on the string, and that should force the yo-yo into the front of the string. And then to get out of it, you just remove your hand and get into your trapeze. The fifth and last one I'm going to be teaching you is called brain twister, and it looks like this. This is a pretty cool and easy move you can do. What you start off with is put it into your invert mount like that, and with your 2 fingers or one, you just push it into the string, and that's going to create a swing. And you just kind of bring your hands like that. You just keep doing it as many times as you want. Then to get out of that, get into your trapeze and make them come back up. Once you practice these moves and you got good at them, you can start putting them together, and it should look like this. So there you have it. That's 5 easy moves you can do with the yo-yo. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.